Hey beautiful people, my name is Tim Lee. Welcome to Draw Too Much. I got a cool video for you, a time-lapse video, okay? This video is something that I did just recently in the past 2 or 3 weeks. Something I haven't done in 5 years. And that's drawing event caricatures. I was asked to go to something called the Dandelion Foundation and draw for their event, and I had a ton of fun. I was able to set up my camera and record it. Just want to share it with you. So, some nice background music, and enjoy it. And I also am editing in the moment when we show them their caricatures so that you can see. And I wish I could tell you all the stories behind each one of these, especially the guy with the nose. That was a cute story. But in any case, yeah, we'll just let you enjoy this. Thank you so much for checking out Draw Too Much. Sure. Okay, here you go. You like that? Isn't that cool? Let me just get this paper on. Winnie, want to see? You like it? Yeah? Good. Because that camera gets to record your little reaction. You probably saw some of it on that screen. I gotta remember to turn that around. Good.
Are you Elsa?
Keep it a full surprise.
Yes. Oh, I knew it.
The surprise is if I can rip this page successfully. So we're gonna do this first. There we go. You ready? Here we go.
Ah, legit. That's cool. That's cool. Good work, man.
Thanks, bro. You like it? Yeah? Awesome. Let me clean off this paper up.